What I do is I help individuals and organizations turn their ideas into lasting impression. 12 years ago, I met with a very challenging situation. A situation which led me to thinking about how I can transform bad presentation into one that is high impact and engaging. And that was when I founded S.P.Y. Now, S.P.Y is a company that does presentation. It's a presentation concept and also a training business for me. And since then, I have been coaching individuals and organizations communicate with confidence, transforming boring presenters and presentation into one that is extremely high impact. And that is what I'm going to share with everyone tonight, how to make impact in your presentation. In a lot of businesses today will need presentation. If you are not an entrepreneur, if you are not owning a business, but you're working in an organization, in the middle manager or in any level in your organization, I'm sure you also need to present. As an employee, as someone who has subordinates, maybe as a boss, you also need to convince your peers and you need to present ideas to them so that they believe your ideas. And when they believe your ideas, they will most likely follow what you say, take action. And that is what we want to do. Every time at the end of presentation, we want people to take action. If they don't take action, that means we are wasting our time.